Hello and welcome to Healing Womanhood. My name's Saffron and today our tapping is about celebrating difference, specifically our own difference from the people around us. Sometimes if we're really different from the people in our lives, whether it's friends, family, work colleagues, we can feel really out of place. So today's tapping is to bring us from that feeling of not fitting in, that feeling of being out of place, into a place where we feel confident to be our true selves in any situation, and allowing the people around us to know us and to love us as we really are. And there is an element of being different within different groups. That's really natural and really human, but this is more for where you're aware of parts of yourself that you're repressing or holding back because you're so different from this group, or you feel like you wouldn't be accepted or something. And I do just want to say this is not for people if you are in an abusive relationship or a dangerous situation, living under an oppressive regime or something like that. There may be times when it genuinely isn't safe to be fully yourself. And in those situations, of course, use your discernment. In all situations, please use your discernment. But if this feels like something that you would like to do and really come to a place of loving your own difference and wanting to share that with the people in your life, let's tap. If you haven't tapped with me before, all you need to do is tap where I'm tapping, repeat what I'm saying. We begin here on the side of the hand. This is called the karate chop point, and we'll begin by saying, even though I sometimes feel really out of place, that's okay. And I'm okay. And I'm ready to love and accept all of myself now. Even though I sometimes feel so different from the people around me. And that doesn't always feel good. I'm choosing to love and accept all of myself anyway. Even though I'm really different. I'm not like everyone else. I'm choosing to celebrate that now. And to love and accept all of myself. And onto the eyebrows. I feel really different from the people in my life. Sometimes I'm worried I don't fit in. Sometimes I'm worried that I'm on the outside. I feel like I'm so different from other people around me. And I wonder if they would accept me if I were to show up as my fullest self. I wonder. I'm ready to let myself wonder now. I wonder if I could show up as my truest self. Because I am different from everyone else. And maybe I can really like that about myself. Maybe my uniqueness has so much value. And I can bring that to these situations. Wouldn't that be really exciting? To bring my unique self in all of my glory to all of these diverse groups. They might even love me exactly as I am. And they might not. But I love me exactly as I am. And that's the most important thing. Choosing to bring the gift of my truest self to all of the people in my life. Choosing to celebrate how different I really am. And allow myself to express that in the world. Allowing myself to be so different and so unique. Allowing full expression of who I am. Allowing myself to be fully me in every moment. As much as I possibly can be. Celebrating how different I am now. Take a deep breath. So that was quite a little quick round. You can repeat it if you need to. You can do it by yourself, change the words, bring in anything that feels relevant to you, and just really sink into that idea of being fully yourself, celebrating who you are, and allowing everyone else to celebrate who you are, because maybe they really want to. Maybe they do really love you, and maybe this is an excellent opportunity to let them know you better. I'd love to know what came up for you as you did that. Do some journaling. Let me know in the comments if you would like to do some one-to-one work with me. I am available for that. You can get a free 30-minute call through the booking link in the description or the comments. And I look forward to connecting with you and seeing you in the next video. See you soon.